everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Allison. I post videos every Sunday, and today I wanted to show you how I take little moments out of each day and implement some self-care. And I take some time just to make sure that I'm doing things that make me happy. So usually this starts with a big cup of coffee from my espresso machine, and this morning I decided to use a really pretty teacup and saucer just to be a little extra. And I'm filling my cup up with some coffee and some foamy milk, and then the secret ingredient is pumpkin pie spice, and I just get mine from Trader Joe's. I drink this all year round. It makes my coffee taste so delicious, and I'll just bring it into my room, and usually I'll watch a YouTube video or a show while I'm drinking that. And then every day I try to do at least 10 to 20 minutes of yoga, and I'm really bad at exercising and maintaining an exercise routine. So for me, just doing it in smaller amounts has been something that I've been able to keep up with, and I don't find it too difficult. So this is just what works for me. Usually I follow a video. I really like Yoga with Cassandra, who's on YouTube. And here, I have a gorgeous view because I was by the beach when I filmed this, but normally I'll just do it in my room or wherever I can, wherever there's extra space. So here I am just finishing up. Namaste! Woo! And I just wanted to show you the view because it is so beautiful and so relaxing to just look out and watch the water and the boats go by. Something that I do every morning is go outside and check on my plants because they change so much every day, and I love to look at them and see how they've grown even just overnight. And then I spray them pretty much every morning with this homemade pesticide. It's just water mixed with a little dish soap, and it's supposed to keep some of the bugs away. And I try to concentrate this on the plants that we eat. I don't worry too much about the flowers, but I definitely try to spray them on the produce that we're growing. And here's our tomatoes. You can see that some of them are already turning red, and we have so many more growing. I think there are like 10 small ones just on this one plant right now, so that's really exciting for us. Here are some of the beautiful flowers that we have also. I took some time out to indulge in these lemon bars that I made, and they were just from a box. They're also from Trader Joe's, but they are so delicious. Lemon is definitely one of my favorite flavors in desserts, and these are just the ultimate treat for me. They're so good. So this day I gave myself a manicure with this Mini Macaron set, and this is what came in the kit. It comes with the UV lamp, and it comes in this gorgeous pink and white heart-shaped box. In this pink silky bag, it comes with 2 nail polishes, 1 dark red and 1 pink, the wire that connects the UV lamp to the plug in the wall. It comes with nail polish remover pads, a cuticle stick, and also a pink sparkly nail file, which is so cute. And then I'm also going to be using nail clippers and this other nail polish color that I got, which is called Rose Cream. You can find it on their website, and it's a really pretty pinky peach color. So I'm just going to cut my nails because they were pretty long and file them. I try to file them and keep it to roughly my natural shape, which is square with rounded edges. So that's what I was doing here. And then they recommend that you file the surface also, just so the nail polish adheres better. And if you push your cuticles back, it also makes your manicure stay longer. And then I'm going to plug the lamp into the wall socket. And I'm putting on a show from Netflix, and there's Clueless. Shout out to that amazing movie. But today I was watching Sweet Magnolias, which is a new show that I just started. And I just find it really relaxing. Like, it's not too dramatic, but it's dramatic enough that it's interesting, and it's a happy show, so I just find it relaxing to watch, especially when I'm doing something like painting my nails and I don't want something too heavy, just something nice and light playing in the background. So the first coat of this has to be really, really thin. So here I am just wiping off basically like all the nail polish from the brush and putting on a really thin first layer. And they recommend that you paint the 4 fingers first and cure those and do your thumbs separately. And then you put it under the lamp, you press the top button, the light turns on for 1 minute, and after a minute it shuts off and you know that it's done and you can put on the next coat. So I think with this color, I did 3 coats to get the opacity that I wanted. So there I am curing it, and I'm finished. Woo! This was the final color. It's really nice, and pink is my favorite color on my nails. So I love that this variation has a little bit of peach in it. I love to take some time out to read in this swivel chair. It's so comfortable. I'm reading the 3rd book in this series, His Dark Materials. I actually started that series in a course I took in college that was the history of children's literature. And I loved the first book so much that I wanted to read the next 2 also. So this is the last one in the series that I'm finishing up. Lastly, I wanted to show my skincare a little bit. I do my skincare every night and I have a pretty lengthy routine, but I try not to rush through it to get to bed. I try to really take time out and focus on what I'm doing and how good it is for my skin. And this night I decided to do a face mask. So I was choosing from a few different options. I ended up choosing the one that was hydrating and brightening, and it felt really good on my skin. So here I am just peeling it away from the plastic, which is so satisfying. And I threw the plastic out and I put the mask on my face, and I mean, everyone looks ridiculous in a sheet mask. So I was kind of laughing at myself trying to fit it on, but it felt really nice and I kept that on for 20 minutes. I love taking baths. I just find them so relaxing. I feel like it's the only time where I can really completely zone out and not think about anything at all. If I do decide to do something in the bath, usually it'll be a book or I'll put a show on. But relaxing in the bath is definitely time that I can completely take out for myself and not have to worry about anything else that's going on. That's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. You found it relaxing. You were able to get ideas on how you can take some time out for yourself. And it doesn't have to be an entire day devoted to self-care. These weren't all filmed on the same day. I try to take a couple moments out here and there every day, and I find that a lot more sustainable to help me maintain a balanced lifestyle if I know that there's something to look forward to every day, or a little time where I can just focusing on myself while everything else is so busy. So I hope you can do the same for yourself. It's really important. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. I post videos every Sunday, so I'll see you next week. Bye!